Right, so before we get started on anything today, I want to show you this. I'm going to make a sawdust stove. And if you've got an allotment, these are fantastic. All it is a tin. This is about a 30 litre tin. I'll do a smaller one. So that's about 8 to 10 litres. Right. You need some fine sawdust. Like that. You see? This kind of stuff's no good because you need to be able to pack it in really tight. It would burn, but it won't last very long. The tin has to have a hole in the front, like so. 2 bits of pipe and a bit of sand for the top. So all you do is put that pipe in there. Put that pipe on the top like that. Right. I'll get the camera off to show you. I can move it. So this pipe is sitting on top of that one, and you start packing it in, but you've got to pack it in really tight, right? So we'll start doing that now. Every now and again, make sure your pipe's still sitting on top of your little pipe. Stomp it down. The tighter you compact it, the better it'll be. Right, so once you've got your level filled up, you just need to add some sand onto the top. Do the same thing, spread it around and pat it down. Right, and then once you've done that, you need to make sure it's damp. It's damp already, but it's spraying anyway. Like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to lift the pipes out slowly. Turn and pull dead gently.
Oh! The drill fell off and snapped the blue.
And then just turn over the edges with your fingers. Like that. And then the same on the bottom one. So what you should be left with there now is 2 holes that meet at the bottom. So one that way and one that way. So the next thing we need to do is get it lit. Right, so those bits I said were no good for actually compacting. Do make excellent starter material though. Pack some of that in there, gently. There we go. I blocked the hole, I made a mistake and it didn't work, so I cleared the hole back out, because you've got to have a hole that way and that way clear for air. And now it seems to be going again. Right, there you go. So once I realised my mistake, cleared it out and started again, it only took a few minutes to get going and burn all the smoke off. You can see there's still a little bit just coming out at the bottom there, but not enough to be concerned about. And that's it now. It'll burn now for around about 8 hours. So throughout the day we'll keep coming back and checking on it. But there's only one more thing left to do now, and that's get the kettle on. And we've used this thing before to eat cups of tea and heat as well in the winter. These things are great because they give off loads of heat, but in a safe way. Do you know what I mean? Really like them. We even take these fishing with in the summer. We'll go down the river and us and a few of the lads have a barbecue and that, and they're just brilliant. You can make it up at home, and as long as you're careful with it, you can transport it to wherever you're going. So, and it's sawdust stuff that was just going to go in the bin. Free heat. Right, kettle's boiled, cup is made. I would say that's been on for about half an hour, probably. It is now 12:30. So we'll keep an eye on it throughout the day. There we go, trying a new one. Homemade soup on the sawdust stove. Right, so it is now 2 o'clock. So it's been going for an hour and a half. Let's have a look under there. Still nice and stirred a little. Smouldering away nicely. And we've had to raise the soup because it was too hot. So I'll come back again in a bit. Right, time is now 3 o'clock, and you can just see signs of the first bit of collapse in the bottom there. You see that? But still going well. Still not burnt away too much. It's still nice in the middle. So far so good. And the soup's doing well as well. Jolly good. Right, so it is now 4:30. Soup's been on for a good while now. I'm going to give it a test to check it. But the sawdust stove's still going. It's a bit more collapsed by the look of it.
And you've had the pan lifted away from the heat as well.
I've already said that. do having the lid left off so it thickens up a bit, but I have to do that in the house. It's too windy out here to be doing that.
No, it's going to dig it down. I'm going to chop it. Anything cooked?
Spot on. Right, it is now 5 and it's still going. Still hot enough to boil the kettle. Just have a look in there. Quite a bit collapsed now, but it's still going. There's still plenty in there. Move the kettle and have a look down the top. Still good. So we'll come back out and check it again in a bit. Right, now 6:30, it's been on 6 hours. It's about 12:30 by the time it was started properly. See, it's still going. Still burning away. It's dark now, having to use the headlight. Still going. All collapsed. But it's just burning what's left. The only thing that's left on the top there's the sand holding in place. So like I say, 6 hours, and again we'll come check it in a bit. Right, 8:10. This is the last time coming out to check it. There's no red embers, but there's still heat there. Still heat.
It is red embers, isn't it?
Oh, there you go. My husband's just moved it, and you can see the bits of red.
Okay, see it all coming up, see?
Yeah.
So put some water on?
Yeah, put some water on it because it's smoking now, isn't it?
Does it matter?
No, it's alright.
Oh, that's great. Is that just staying with Shem anyway?
Aye. And we'll let that dry, and then just leave it there overnight. Tomorrow, when it's all dried out and not hot anymore, I'll just put it all in the compost bin, because all it is hardwood sawdust. So there we go. Sawdust stove, a must have.